Kizza Besigye's wife has issued a clarification regarding her statement, her plea to Museveni, where he made it on the 29th of May, a direct message to the president of Uganda, that is Museveni, regarding the husband. In case you have not yet come across, you check it out.
I'm disappointed. I've just learned that my husband, Dr. Kizza Besigye, and his friend, Acholi, have been denied bail once again. They've been in prison for more than 180 days. The government has kept changing the charge and has been unable to move a case and start trying. They have a right to mandatory bail after being in prison for 180 days, yet has been denied. I appealed to President Museveni to do justice for my husband, Dr. Kizza Besigye, and his friend, Chope, and all other political prisoners been in jail for months, for years, without trial, and for whom their only crime is to disagree politically. They are political dissidents. They should not be in prison. They should be out there expressing their independent views peacefully, as they have been. Thank you, Mr. President. It's justice that we ask for, nothing else.
Winnie Byanyima says, I am asking for justice, not forgiveness. Kizza Besigye is a law-abiding Ugandan who has served this country with courage and integrity. At 68, he has spent over 180 days in Luzera prison without trial. He is entitled to and has applied for mandatory bail. The NRM government is using every trick to block it. This is not justice, it is persecution. President Museveni, please do not abuse the courts. So that is it. Winnie Byanyima is clarifying that she is not begging for forgiveness for the husband, but she is begging for justice to lead the way. This came due to a great number of criticism when we published this video, and also when she also shared the video. Many people commented criticizing her that she is asking for forgiveness or even justice from the wrong person. People says, why do you ask for forgiveness or justice from the very person who has detained your husband? Let's take a look at one more comment from a guy called Madianad, who has said, it's so weird that Museveni's American friends can get him to ask for forgiveness from Ugandans, but haven't moved him enough to put an end to this medieval treatment of Dr. Besigye. We are seeing a very faulty Christian theology on display. Repentance without reform. Shame. And he shared a poster saying free Besigye. And this came after this comment correlate with President Museveni's asking for forgiveness from the people of Baganda and Uganda. That is according to his statement with the wife, the first lady, that is Janet Kataham Museveni. So that is it. It is not an easy situation for the Besigye's family, but we are going to see how the events will be unfolding. Thank you.